Well, the One Health approach is not a new concept, but it sort of gained momentum because of avian influenza. And this type of disease made it very clear to everybody that actually there is a link between diseases in animals, wildlife, livestock, and also people, and the environment. So basically it told us that if we want to have mitigation actions that mean something and that would be sustainable, then we have to address it in a holistic way, trying to address not only the pathogen in the animal reservoir, but to try to move behind this and trying to find ways to interrupt the transmission of pathogens at different interfaces. It's very nice to be invited because it means that some people think that I have a story to tell and that hopefully will be of some interest for people here at the university. But I think that the challenge is, and this is exactly what the One Health should be all about, we don't want to talk exclusively to veterinarians. We want to speak to the community as a whole. We want to make sure that social scientists, policymakers, medical people, those that are in veterinary public services, those that are in health services, speak together so that we can together define what we think is a priority and how we can reach out and do something that makes sense to everybody. So that's really the challenge, is to make sure that the One Health concept gains a little bit more momentum in Brazil. And the other thing is also to try to convince you that brucellosis, although it's a disease that is known for ages, there is so much new things to be discovered. And of course, discovery is something important in its own right, but it has so many implications also in our daily work of control, of knowing how the disease is transmitted from one species to the other and eventually to people. So it's really making sure that One Health is a concept that will be more and more appreciated, that, you know, the good things about One Health will be perceived, the challenges will be perceived too, and then to see how we can put all this together in the context of brucellosis.